What's up, guys? Just got off the Hyde, Michigan. Got a call up here to go find a cell phone right underneath this bridge over here behind me. They're fishing or walking across there, ended up dropping their phone down through the tracks. Also, right over here behind me, there's another bridge. When I pull up here, there's a state patrol officer parked over here, and he said that a guy just left. He had lost his wallet. A couple locals are here looking for it also, but it's just out of their reach. So I'm gonna hop in here, try to find this wallet that was recently lost, see what else is in here. In this area here, the third column. It does what it's told, or gets the hose. On the phone. Wow, there's so many trout in here. I can take two. Thanks. Listen. CNW. I'm gonna look again for this wallet. So somewhere over here.
I tipped right up there.
It's a black wallet, right? Nothing yet. I looked in there 4 times, I can't see it. I looked on all the rocks, all the way down, all the logs, nada.
He's like, Ed showed up. I was like, what?
Just got done diving in Hyde, Michigan at the Ford River. Checking what I got. I was originally called up here to find a phone underneath a railroad bridge over here. Found that, and the girl will be pretty happy. Found a couple lures here, some other random trash cans, a milk bottle, the top part of it, shotgun shells, someone's steering wheel cover there, big hydraulic hose here, a regular hose, bunch of railroad stuff here, C and NW, something like that. I have no idea. It's kind of neat getting that stuff out of the water. It doesn't belong there. Just when I pulled up here, a state trooper was sitting over there by the entrance, and he said that a guy just lost his wallet. And this is the guy, Andy. What happened?
Stepped in too deep of a hole and went over my waders and lost the wallet out of the front pocket.
And you had some cash in there too?
Yeah, $200.
We ended up looking several times. I went back and forth, back and forth. Kyle's a local here. He was actually out there looking for a couple hours probably, huh? Yeah. Nice guy trying to help out. Didn't find it. It's a pretty light wallet, so probably went downstream. Andy watches my videos. He said he's been watching my YouTube channel since I had like about 100 followers or subscribers.
Something like that, yeah.
And that was probably 6-7 years ago.
I actually gave up and went home, and our other buddy, Brian, said, "You're not going to believe who's down at the river. Ed the I'm like, no way, I'm going back. So if anybody would have found it, it would have been him. So
I wish it could have.
Yeah, but you tried, man. I mean, you really went the extra mile. You didn't have to do that. It's greatly appreciated.
Problem,
yeah, thank you.